showing fucking men playing dominoes and talk about. You should show friendship. You should build up women more. Friendship with women. Not you. I'm using one. And the video look whole. Look like you just chipping one. The little piece there. You know where y'all get the girl them money like they're hoes. Because we all know y'all lezzies. You understand? That's why Nico cheated. Because Nico was already sleeping with the dancers and you. That's why he cheated. Because he didn't see it as cheating. But you then tell him that it's still cheating. But he said, but you said it was okay to bring another person in bed with us. You feel me? Everything you do is unfair. Everything. Your relationship is a lie. Everything you do is a fucking lie. But one thing I know that God, I don't want to say it like that, like wish bad on you. I hope that what you're doing work for you. But Mama taught me that there are two roads in life. The narrow road, the broad road. Many people love to take the broad road. I'm staying on the narrow road. Because I realized that the person who discovered light, he didn't get no recognition until he died. I realized that Bob Marley, people didn't even really care about his songs at one point. Even in my own country, they were like, he's boring. But then when he died, everybody played Bob Marley. You understand? I realized a lot of things. And I'm not going to say that, oh, I have to die to be recognized. But I just don't believe in a living legend anyway. I just don't believe in it. But the thing is, y'all want your reward from man. I'm not looking for no reward from mankind. I don't care about your fake statues and your fake idols. I want to know that when my work is over, that God will say, well done, my daughter. I'm proud of you. You never gave up. That's what I want to hear. I want my kids, my grandkids, and my great-grandkids to say, Grandma never gave up. Despite people in our comment box like now talking shit, she still never gave up. She never looked back. And she never stopped believing in God. Bitches be thinking that they gonna be young forever. No. No, bitch. How many of you coming here and say, I'm 52, I got 13 kids. Bitch, go sit down. Go sit down, bitch, because the next video you come out with, it's going to have 1 million views too. And the next, and the next, and the next, because you want the world to worship you, because you're suffering from lack of love. Look like your mommy never loved you. You understand? You need therapy, bitch. Damn. Amari don't get no sleep. Look on my bed. Look on my bed. Huh? One phone. Two phone, the phone in my hand, my computer. I don't get no sleep. I be working so hard, and these bitches be cheating. Oh yeah, I see there's some sort of game, but why are you cheating? When I'm working so hard, it is not fair,
put it for
bitches.
2 minutes.
All of you got somebody. All of you got BP record, this, that to back you on. I have no one but God. But you know what he said to me? That's why you're gonna win. Oh, Mari, you gotta play your own song to encourage you. Oh my God, no filter. I have to come in first place, you know? Although when the song originally came out, the Spirit told David, put it out now, and David would not obey. And then the voice said to me, you're going to end up at number 2, not number 1. Because you didn't put it out when we said you should. Yeah, I got a lot of help, the Spirit. Yeah, so at the end of the year, you might huff and puff, whatever you want to do, bitch. At the end of the year, I'm going to be number 2, okay? And deal with that bitch. Because I don't want to be number 1. So, Spirit, Holy Spirit, that's fine with me. I don't want to
Yeah,
be
put it
no
back in the
number
fridge.
one. Because I see the people on American Idols, the one who come in number 2 make it more than the one who come in at
No
number
filters.
1. What happened to all the people that came in
Watch
at
me
number
run
1?
the-
I don't see them. I don't see them.
Pass me
Let
now.
me stay at number 2 or
How long
below.
you left for now?
You all believe that you're number 1. Oh, yeah, no filter. I gotta just lift myself up today. I'm not envious. No, darling, I ain't got time to be envious over people like you. But I'm sad because I work so hard. I'm sad. You know, I work so hard. But don't worry, Mari. Come on, Mari. What you say? The first time, your first hit, you say you have to make it big. And then last night, I realized that I didn't make it big. I didn't. I made it big, but not big enough. Well, COVID, yeah. You know, and I come back and I say, I gotta come in first place. While they just sit on computer, mastering my song, you know, because it got to be on iTunes and all that. And
oh my
now it's on
God.
iCloud. You can go check it out. But I want you to hear the mastered mix.
So what was the
iCloud,
point of that just now?
Not that phone. I think it's on this phone. Let me go to iCloud on the desktop. iCloud.com/DJ Mona Lisa. Oh, let me go Reverb Nation. Now I'm giving away 100 free copies on Reverb Nation. You know it's gonna be mild, because I don't believe that music should be sold. That's reverbnation.com/Amari1. And you'll get your free copy over there, the mix copy, and